AMD and SpaceX just delivered strong quarterly results, beating on the top and bottom line. And yet, despite this fact, both saw their stock get crushed in after hours. The question then is why? Let's start first by looking at AMD. AMD reported revenue growth of 50% year over year to $11.5 billion, beating analyst expectations of roughly $11.3 billion. Earnings per share, $1.66 versus analyst expectations of $1.62. And digging a bit into the details, we saw the data center segment saw revenue growth of 100% to $6.7 billion. And operating margins did a total 180, going from negative 2% a year ago to roughly 17% in the latest quarter. And on top of all of that, they provided strong forward guidance for Q3 with revenue projected at $13 billion. Yet, despite that fact, the stock got crushed, falling 8% after hours. And the reason is related to the next name, SpaceX. They reported revenue growth of 92% to $7.8 billion, beating analyst expectations by roughly $1 billion. And earnings per share, an even better surprise. Wall Street projected the company to lose 29 cents per share. Instead, they delivered a profit of 9 cents per share. Not a lot, but much better than a negative number, right? Now, the stock still got beat down almost 7% after hours. Now, to come full circle, back to AMD and why the stocks fell despite a strong quarter and strong guidance for next quarter. It really came down to what Elon Musk said during the Q&A session during the latest call. In the call, he mentioned that going forward, SpaceX will only buy from NVIDIA, not AMD, as it's expanding its AI data centers. AMD stock fell as a result, which makes sense, right? Because SpaceX is a massive potential buyer for GPUs. Anyways, I'll be dropping a video later this week covering these two names in greater detail, so be sure to subscribe and check that out. Until next time, protect that lunch money.